Forget the plain old buzz cut. The real magic is in the buzz cut fade. Picture this, super short all over, but a tad longer on top, creating a sweet contrast. Now, let's talk faces. Buzz cut and your face. They need to be compatible. This cut puts your facial features in the spotlight. Got a killer jawline? Prepare for it to steal the show. Big nose? It might steal some attention too. Think of it as a face enhancer. It can even make a slightly chubby face look bolder. Before diving into buzz territory, consider all these factors. Oh, and some features just vibe with a buzz cut. Thick, dark eyebrows, for instance, take the buzz look to the next level. Buzz cut and beards, like a classic combo, peanut butter and jelly. It's all about that eye-catching contrast. Picture this, a buzz cut, a clean canvas just waiting for some facial hair magic. Whether it's a full beard, a bit of stubble, or a stylish goatee, the buzz cut craves a partner in style. Okay, let's talk buzz cut vibes. Some say it lacks excitement, but hold on a sec. Your hairstyle isn't just a look, it's your spotlight. A buzz cut is your secret weapon. Rocking diamond earrings? They pop and look way cooler. Same deal with any other bling, tattoos, or accessories. Your buzz cut turns everything up a notch, especially in the accessory department. Quick tip, don't let the rest of you be a snooze fest. If you're diving into buzz cut territory, make sure your overall vibe isn't bland. And now, the grand finale, side buzz cuts. Some might hate on it, but if you can pull it off, it's pure awesomeness. The catch? You need that perfect vibe and style, otherwise, you might end up looking like a clown. Ever thought of switching up your look? Try a buzz cut with a splash of bleach at first. With all that said, we hope you dug our buzz cut wisdom. Hit subscribe for more style adventures coming your way.